Okay, my math lab number 2 says find the value of the ordinary annuity. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Find the value of an ordinary annuity. So we need the annuity formula, which is this guy right here. A equals R times 1 plus R over M raised to the n minus 1 all over R over M. And the payment R, which will be the amount of $800, that goes there. The frequency of deposits M, which is the same as the frequency of compounding, that is monthly, which means it's 12. So M is 12. M is going to equal 12. And then you've got your annual interest rate R, that is 6%. So R will be a 0.06, which will go here and here. And then we have to find N. And remember that N is M times T, and I already know that M is 12, and I have to multiply that times T, and T is the time, whoops, wrong color. Time T is in years, that's the 4 years right here. So 12 times 4 gives me a rate, or yeah, it's going to be calculated 48 times, and that goes right here. So I just need to take all of my numbers and stick them in. So 800 times, and then after you plug all this in, you're just going to calculate it by the method on your calculator that I showed you in that video. Watch those 2 videos. Well, this will be the first video because it's for an annuity. And I show you how to take all of this stuff right here and plug it into your calculator. And when you do, you should get $43,278.27. That is how much will be in this annuity at the end of 4 years.